Good afternoon. It's July 12th, and we've been picking figs in the greenhouse today, and we're looking at two different Mount Etna varieties here. This is Maryland berry. It's pretty ripe. I let it hang quite a bit. It's going to be really good. And this is, it probably could have hung another day. This is a Hardy Chicago. And we're going to cut them open and see what they look like. That definitely could have hung another day. Don't look too grand, especially up there. I picked it a little early. I bet it's still good though. Let's see what the Maryland berry looks like. Oh my. Boy, they don't look nothing alike, do they? We'll have to do some more on Hardy Chicago compared to some of the other fig varieties as we go along. As far as Mount Etna goes, when I do whatever other Mount Etnas I do, I'll do some more Hardy Chicagos with it so we can compare. But that Maryland berry is really looks jammy. Let's see what it is today. Wow. Thick raspberry. Wow. That was really good. Nice thick raspberry pulp. Tastes like raspberry jam. Let's see what this one tastes like. It's kind of creamy. Got a little hint of raspberry in there. Not near as sweet as that is. Nowhere near. So, yeah, I like the Maryland berry. It's a winner as far as Hardy Chicagos go, or Mount Etnas go. And we'll get another look at the Hardy Chicagos. This wasn't a very good example today. I must have picked it. I picked it a little early. So we'll look at some more of them and compare them. Maryland berry. There she is. Have a good day.
That is all I said?